Inside a damp forest, spores fall, unseen yet alive. Their beta-glucans awaken within us, lighting white blood cells like tiny stars. Reishi calms the storm inside, easing inflammation in nerve pathways. The liver glows gold as toxins fade into quiet light. Mycelium threads through the gut, guiding friendly bacteria to dance again. In the brain, lion's mane rebuilds forgotten bridges between neurons. The heart steadies, antioxidants flowing with rhythmic peace. DNA listens, adapting in silent wisdom. From forest floor to human core, one mushroom carries many miracles.